This eighth video in the series from the All-British Day of the 27th of April in Newcastle is an interview with Dennis, who's the owner of an impeccably restored 1946 Morris 8 Z Ute. The Z Series Morris 8 was imported from England as a CKD kit, and the bodies were assembled by Holden in Melbourne. The 1940 to 54 Series Z was the commercial version of the Morris 8. It had bars in the grille, which were horizontal. The headlights were back on top of the guards, a coupe utility in Australia and a van in the UK. And there were a total of 51,000 Series Z vans and utes produced. Dennis explains how he sourced its parts and the difficulty of the 6-volt system.
I'm Bruce.
I'm Dennis.
Dennis.
Nice to meet you, Bruce.
And you're a cabinet maker.
No, I'm not. I'm a bit of everything.
A bit of everything.
I was a school teacher and I taught woodwork, metalwork. So
Well,
I've got
there
a
you go.
background in
But
both.
it just shows, because this woodwork is just impeccable. I wish I could do things like that.
Oh, you can.
With time and effort, I'm sure.
Yeah,
But this is fantastic. So how long have you had the car, and what was it when you got it?
The car was pretty solid, but it had been a different diff in it, later model brakes and all that, so I had to find a wreck to get parts off it to build it up to original.
Already a ute, though. It was a ute.
Yes.
Yep.
They used to come down there as a knockdown fitting. They came from England. Then the timber work was done here.
Right.
Holden was one of the companies that did the timber work on them.
Yeah.
So it's a 46 model. There's a few bits out of other models too.
Well, I guess all this woodwork at the back is extra. That's not.
No, well, that's just a toolbox to go with the era of the car.
Yeah.
But all of this is original. That's
original
how it was.
wood. Yeah.
It's not the original wood, but that's
how
the
it was.
design.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how do you get on for parts?
A lot from England.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
So you
like-
can still buy parts?
Yes.
I was just talking to Michael next door. He's made all his.
Yeah, he's incredible.
Yeah. But he said with the engine side, he's got a mate who helped him on that.
Yeah. I just had to get a new part from England. This is a 6-volt system, and that's a lot harder than the thousands, which has got a 12-volt system.
Fine. Yeah. Okay. That's always a problem.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
regulator is
6
what I was
volts.
trying to think of.
Oh,
Yeah.
regulator. Okay. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Well, I'm impressed.
yeah,
Yeah. And you take it out?
not far. Like I come out to days like this and show it, and
Yeah.
we might go up to Fort Scratchley and do a day there with them and
Right,
things
so
like
you-
that, but mainly with the club.
Yeah. Okay.
But they're too slow on the highway. I feel it's too dangerous.
I went last weekend around the Peach Ridge, and
Yeah.
it's 60k round there.
Yeah,
So that would be a great ride for you.
Yeah.
You know, all the winding
yeah.
bits. So,
Oh, that'd be good, but you've got to get
60K.
there.
That's true. And of course, you can't get there from here. Can
Yeah.
You? Oh, on a truck. Yeah. hire
Yeah,
a
you
truck.
could. Yeah, you could truck it. Yeah.
Well, it's
If
really
peop-
nice to talk
People
to you.
like to have a look.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your time.
Welcome.
Okay.